inside that closet is, we're pretty sure, a woodpecker. We've caught him hitting our, house, making holes. Okay, you need to hurry up. Get it. What if it attacks me?
What if it attacks me?
Do woodpeckers attack?
No, not.
Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna get a pillow. I got the camera ready.
Yeah.
Hurry up, this thing is freaking out. It's okay. It's okay. If he comes after me, I'm gonna cry.
Please!
Didn't see it.
Didn't come out.
Okay, well, that's because you didn't hold it open. I'm so scared. My eyes were closed when it happened, so
Get out! Get out! Away with you!
He's gonna kill himself! Oh my goodness! What was it? Was it a woodpecker? No!
Get out! Go! No, it's just a little bird.
Oh.
No, that way. Good job.
Oh. Oh. That was the scariest thing I've ever seen. We're camping out in the living room. Anyway, okay.
We can get a camp out without nature.